Have you ever wished for a natural healer right in your home? Aloe vera is that miracle plant. In this video, we'll explore why you should consider growing aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a beautiful succulent, it offers incredible benefits. From skincare to soothing burns, it's a powerhouse in your garden or home. Let's dive into the reasons to grow aloe vera and how it's easy. First, you must learn about its medicinal properties. Aloe vera gel can help with burns, cuts, and even digestive issues. Next, consider its air purifying qualities. Aloe vera absorbs toxins, improving indoor air quality. It's an ideal plant for your living room or bedroom. Now, let's talk about maintenance. Aloe vera is low maintenance. It only needs water every few weeks. Plus, it thrives in indirect sunlight. This makes it perfect for busy lifestyles. Growing aloe vera is also space efficient. Even if you have a small apartment, a pot on your windowsill works perfectly. Here's an interesting example. Imagine just finishing a cooking session and accidentally burning your arm. With aloe vera, you can simply break a leaf, apply the gel, and experience relief fast. In summary, growing aloe vera combines beauty, utility, and ease. Its benefits range from health to air quality enhancement. Plus, the joy of having a living remedy at home is priceless. Ready to start your aloe vera garden? Find a pot, soil, and a healthy aloe vera plant. Begin your journey to a healthier home today.